Hi, and welcome to Sevilla Sunshine. Today we're going to make a Tableau dashboard. So, if you want to know how to do that, follow along. Let's do it together. Oh, and I have something to show you. Check it out. Featured Authors, Hispanic Heritage Month Edition. Connect with this cohort of featured authors as we celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. Written by Sarah Molina. Hispanic Heritage Month is observed each year from September 15 to October 15. The rich histories, culture, contributions, and influence of Hispanic Americans are recognized during this time. Join us in honoring Tableau public authors with Hispanic roots by shining the spotlight on their work and contributions to the data fam. I am thrilled to introduce new cohort. Look, here I am. Angela Sevilla was born in Mexico and moved to Canada as a preteen. It was a challenge to learn the language and build a sense of belonging. Now Angeles is a bilingual English and Spanish Algonquin College graduate, hairstylist, and data analyst. As a data analyst, Angeles uses Tableau and Tableau Public to visualize data and create outstanding dashboards for presentations and projects. She will continue to use Tableau because it's easy to use, great for sharing work, as well as finding inspiration from other users. Connect Angeles on LinkedIn. Yeah, I know. There's an article written about me and other Hispanic contributors. Good job to us on. But yeah, so I thought, what one better way to celebrate than to create a Tableau dashboard. So first thing you need to do is go to Tableau and download. Then you can just download, 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 the download Tableau desktop. Hmm. Okay, it's this one. I'll put the link in the description below if you guys don't have it. This is the free version. And then we need some data to visualize. So somebody shared Kaggle with me, and I've used it a couple of times. It's pretty good to find data sets to, you know, visualize and just practice. There's a variety of options, and I thought, let's choose a fun one. So I chose this one, Unicode emoji frequency ranks. I already downloaded it, and when you use Kaggle, you do have to make an account, but just click not to send you emails unless you want emails, and I haven't had any problems with them. If you have Windows, sometimes your data will download with a little bit of a sitcom, and you just have to right click, extract all, and then it's available for you to open it and view. I already had this one open. And then here we can see our data that we've downloaded. Well, it's a long 1,531 rows, but only 7 columns. So, easy. We can definitely play with a couple of those. We have the hex, which is the unique code to the emoji. The emojis which don't show, but I think it's just because it's Excel. the the year, category, subcategory, and the name. Everything looks good, looks organized. Alright, let's get visual. Let's go to our Tableau and connect to file, text file. Here's an emoji, open, and we only have one database to look at. Where I don't think we're going to be connecting to another one, but if you wanted to, you would then download and drag along and do a join. Everything looks good. Look, our images shows. That's awesome. Everything looks good. Hmm? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, all 7 of them are there, and all 1,549 rows are there too. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. Our sheet, sheet number one. So the way this works is you look at your categories, you pick 2 or more things that you want to compare, and then here on the show me, you have a number of different types of graphs and maps, and you know it kind of knows. So if you're doing something geographical, it will give you option of map, and if it has nothing to do with that, it will make its best guess to give you the best graph you may need. All right, so I have some ideas. looking at our category, emoji, name, subcategory. Let's start with category. Yeah. And emoji. Let's put it down here. And there we have our bar graph. And then we can flip it, swap rows and columns to make it more horizontal. I kind of like it like that, vertically. And then we can also put it short to big, ascending, or descending. Ta-da! Now, this is very big. This is very, it's nice, but it's basic, right? Let's add something else to it, right? So we can do, oh, flex is the biggest one, 268. You know what? We can't really see the numbers. So let's go with emoji, hold control, and drag to label. There. Now each bar has a little label. Components for activity 78. Something else we can do, let's see, category, hold control, drag to color. Nah, should look at that. Now they will have their own color. We want to change the colors, let's edit. What's a nice color for emoji? Like a yellow, orange? I always think emoji is more like, on the yellower side. Oh, that not change anything? Assign palette. There we go. Apply. Okay, there it is. And looks good. We can also do, oh, see, we can keep only, exclude. I want to do a border. Do a black border. There we go. That looks good. And we can name this, we're gonna name it, um, emojis per category. Okay, nice. Okay, let's add another worksheet. Excuse me, oh my goodness. And now we can try subcategories, which I imagine would be a little bit more. Let's do same. Emoji. Hold control, drag, edit colors. We're already here. But you see, there's lots of options. Do we want to do purple now? Like opposite, then yellow. Hey, cute. Sheet 2. You can also name it from below. Emojis per sub category. Okay, so here we're going to do rank and the emoji and all members. Look at that, it's given us another paragraph. I am going to go ahead and select the highlighted table because I want to see all the emoji and all the ranks, right? Um, I don't know if I want to grab the viewer's attention by putting emoji numbers. Let's see if we can play around with it. There we go. So I like this one. I don't think we need to change the color. I think it's good. We're gonna say emoji by rank. Perfect. And last one. Let's do one more. Let's do year. So there are some years missing, and that's okay. Sometimes there's no data for those years, and we just work with what we have. So if there are some years missing because there's some missing data, You should double check that you have all the correct data that you need. Um, yeah, I'm gonna change this to count. So here, it's up and down. Hmm. I'm thinking, do I want count or do I want sum? Let's do sum mount. Okay. So we see in 2015, the way I understand it is that the rank is how many times someone clicked on an emoji, right? So the number one rank is the most clicked on emoji. And adding them all up per year, this is what we have. So 2015 emojis in total were clicked 469,562 times. And then it goes down 2010, second popular, 2014, and 2017 really went down. I think that's when like GIFs and memes, and you could send like little stickers. You know, people use emojis less and less, and then they make a comeback. Look at that. 2015 more popular than 2014. Okay. Um, this one's good. I like this one. Maybe we can add this one also as a label. Now we see the number. And let's color coordinate. We have some yellow, we have some purple, some blue. I think I'm leaning more towards the red gold. Ooh, let's try that out. Ooh, I like that. But let's switch it. Can we reverse? Yeah, we can reverse. And there's more options too. You can, data keeps changing, growing, getting smaller, rarely getting smaller. But you can change it here. You can have it start at negative and end at a much higher number. Also, depending on what color scheme you're looking for too, I guess. I like this one. Okay, nice. And I like that. Good that. Should we change the color too? I kind of want everything. Oh, let's do it like purplish. Yeah. Woo. Okay. We have this one purplish too. Hmm. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna stick to one color scheme. With variety. Hmm. Yeah. Making this one a little bit more greenish. Yeah, green gold. Yeah, that's good. We didn't name this one. Let's do hmm, some rank per year. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And I am going to do this one a bow. You know what? I don't see what this little guy is. So I'm also going to go here categories, hold control to label. Okay, they're already labeled. So let's click here, show mark label, category, font, text. Here, allow labels to overlap other marks. There. So now they're not self-conscious about going outside their little circle. And we can still play around to see how we like the setup. Yeah, that's good. So we have this one, we have that one. Let's do a border. Let's do. Oh, this one's nice. I like this one. Not everything needs a border, but sometimes it's nice. This one already has kind of like a white border. And we have enough. If you think of something else to do with this, go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and have a new dashboard. Now this is the complicated part because sometimes you have an idea of what you want it to look like, but it does not want to do that. And there's little tricks and hacks. And you can just, you see them here, and you can just click and drag. Look at that, that looks nice. You could have different dashboards and then create a book or story. This is nice, I like that. We're gonna have we can also use these ones here. I'm gonna use a vertical container. Oh wait, no, horizontal container for the top, because I'm gonna have a text. I'm gonna add the title, and the title is going to be emoji ranks categories and subcategories. And these are tabs, so we're gonna make it big. Tableau bold. There we go. Let's be generous here. A readable size, 20. Let's make it bold. In the middle. Okay. Emoji ranks, categories, and subcategories. What was it? 2010 to 2018? Was it 18? We'll change it. Oof, why does it do that? Semi. Oh, it didn't do anything. Okay, let's do a bigger difference. Ah! Come on now. Right. 50. Slightly less dark. Good. We'll check the date in a bit. I want a vertical container for this one. Here's good. Have all my emojis in their rings. I don't think we need a legend that big. We have all this space here. This one I think I'm gonna have over here. What's left? Okay, that one can fit almost anywhere, it's just a little square. And then there's this one here. Let's try to put the one there maybe. And I'm gonna add another horizontal container. Let's see if we can fit this one here. Let's move this. Let's move. Oh, I can't. Okay, let's take it out. Let's move this one here. Yeah. Okay, emojis per subcategory 12 or 10, bold, middle, and then we can get rid of this one. Hide. There. Better view. Count of emojis. Count of emojis. Let's just get rid of those. And put number of emojis. Good. It's the details that matter sometimes. A little capitalization here, something there. It's very crowded. Ah, that's okay. We don't need a legend. We just graze over. This one has a lot of space. The tile takes up a lot of space. Emoji by rank. 12, bold, middle. There we go. Emoji and the ranks. And then this one, something you can do is you hold it. Oh wait, here. You can move it and you press shift and suddenly it's floating. Isn't that cool? We have this one, which is visible. Can I have you floating here for now? Okay, thank you. Basically, we just try to make things look pretty right now. And you know what? This is long. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to change it. Number of emoji. Number 2. Okay. So too many subcategories. Let's filter. Hold, control, filter. We're gonna do like top 10. That's perfect. Yeah, there we go. Country flags. Looks perfect. And let's do what we did previously. Control, hold, and let's go to label. Oh, okay. Control set, undo. I think that's what I meant to do. Okay. That's what I meant to do. Good. Nice. Let's have the colors. That looks so much neater. Because the purpose of a dashboard is not to cram as much information as you can, but also to make it easy to read and easy to demonstrate. Like even here, I still can really see that. And if I were to make it smaller, probably still won't. Let's see, can we also put that up there? Like the subcategories? As a label? Time, emotion, clothing, family. Let's check it out. That looks pretty good. And since it's up there, I don't think we need it down here. Oh, do I have to do one by one? Can I do... I could have just renamed some of them, I'm thinking. But we're already here. I'm hiding the columns? Oh my gosh, that's not what I want to do. Okay. But you you do it and you learn and then whoever's watching, you correct me on what I'm doing wrong and then we learn together. Don't be scared to give me constructive criticism because I can see why. Okay. I'm actually gonna make this shorter. Can you make that shorter? Okay. Let's add a box here. Not that big, maybe like that. And let's add this one. It comes with its little legend, which we don't need because they're all labeled very well. Also, I think something you can do here, go automatic. Yeah, I should have done that first. Okay, don't give up. We will get through this. Okay, emoji rank categories and subcategories. The end. No, just kidding. Okay, let's start with our graph. The bottom. I don't need you to show me. I don't need you right now. Yes, that looks good. I want to put this one beside it. Meow. And it shows. Hmm. That's why legends are cool, because you can just click on them. Click, 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 click. But also something we've learned is that you can have them shift or floating. Is it floating? There we go. Now it's floating. And then we'll think of something to do with them later, if we want it. Sometimes you don't need legends. Okay. Mm-hmm. This one, I mean, we don't need that. What is going on? I'm thinking of this box. They're all very nicely labeled. This one, I may need this one. I'll put it here. Oh, there. Oh yeah, to stop them from being floating, also press shift and they'll come back. Now I have lots of space. Down here. We're going to put fit page. There we go. It's more centered. And this one is fine. It's good. Good. That looks much nicer than what it did a few seconds ago. This, you just have to work through it. Now this one I don't think it needed a legend because it's all nicely labeled, even the little guy. This one is kind of hard to read, so I left it. Oh, you can also have it floating here or not. See, I'm also learning. Let's do our title now. Okay, so lastly, after moving some more things around, we're just going to make a little reference to Marcus Chen for, because it's his data and we borrowed it. So, this is where we got it from, and now it's gone. I am ready to go to sleep. So, easy fix. Make it smaller and more noticeable. Okay, this is the end. We're pretty happy with our dashboard. This is what we're gonna present. This is our presentation dashboard for emojis, rank categories, subcategories from 2010 to 2018. We are going to now file, save to public, save to Tableau public as. And this is where we're gonna publish it. So now that I've logged in, we're ready to publish. And I'm just gonna write the whole thing. Emoji, ranks, categories, subcategories. Wait then. 20. And something about, visualizing data is that it just needs to be able to be read easy, understood easily. And here we go. It's a bit crunched up, but let's see. Let's present it. Ah, that looks good. Our title. It's a little wacky here. Um, this looks good, this looks good, this looks good. Have a reference. It looks perfect. Knowing that, I am going to add a little vertical container in here. For that. File. Save as. Looks good. I have a file. Do I want to overwrite it? Yes. Easy edit. And every time you need to edit, it's very easy to do. Oh, I know. There. Let's present. Even better. We see everything here. We see everything here. We have our little legend. We have our little emoji here. And we have these ones. Want to look at that? Family. Okay. Our reference. Looks good. It's basic, but it gets the point across. And we're finally done. I feel like I learned a lot. I hope you learned something too. Thank you for joining me today and happy Hispanic Heritage Month. Okay.